Instapage Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Instapage Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested in promoting Instapage and earning commissions, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details. Let's jump right into it. Instapage is a landing page builder designed for marketers who want to create high-converting, customizable landing pages without the need for developers or designers. It provides powerful features like A/B testing, heat maps, integrations with major email and CRM tools, and an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. Instapage is ideal for businesses, agencies, and marketers who want to create stunning landing pages that drive conversions, whether it's for lead generation, product launches, or paid advertising campaigns. Now, let's dive into the Instapage Affiliate Program. Instapage offers a generous affiliate program that lets you earn commissions by referring new customers to the platform. You'll receive a 25% recurring commission on every sale, which can add up nicely as Instapage has a high retention rate due to its premium features and ease of use. The program is structured as a recurring affiliate program, meaning you earn commissions for as long as your referral stays subscribed to the service. The cookie duration is 30 days, meaning if someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases within 30 days, you'll still receive the commission. This is a pretty standard tracking window for the industry. The Instapage affiliate program is best suited for digital marketers, content creators, online advertising experts, or anyone with an audience that could benefit from landing page optimization. Whether you're promoting it to small business owners, marketers, or agencies, Instapage's top-notch features make it an easy sell for anyone serious about boosting their online conversions. In terms of support, Instapage provides its affiliates with a dedicated affiliate portal, marketing materials like banners and referral links, and access to a knowledgeable support team to help you maximize your earnings. Overall, Instapage offers a solid recurring commission structure with a platform that is both user-friendly and high-performing for marketers. If your audience needs a tool to create powerful landing pages, this is a great affiliate program to consider. Make sure to check out the description for more details. Thanks for watching.